a refreshing change for me because I came with no expectations. And probably several years ago I have done something similar. Not all the techniques, but what I liked about this workshop was Vishwa, the guru, my guru, our guru, has covered all forms of breathing techniques in a very short time, and I felt very refreshed at the end of the workshop. I wish I had done it earlier, but I'm glad I took this opportunity to make it, and it was a great crowd, a small crowd of probably 10 people. Very nice, serene place. My basic interest was to learn Tantric sex. Anyway, but so I brought my wife along for that. So, but more importantly, it's a wholesome exercise, like you jog, like you do yoga. I think Pranayama is an important breathing technique, and it's proven since times immemorial, from Vedic times, that if you are able to master and control your breath, there's a lot of good that can come out of it. So it can impact you in healthy ways, in positive ways, to make you a more fulfilled, happier person. So I would recommend this for anybody who wants to explore pranayama. I'm looking forward to more of the rest of the workshop. I think you have made it. You, Vishwa, have made it very simple into simple terms for people to understand. There were a lot of Sanskrit terms, and I think it was important for most people who do not follow Sanskrit to understand the translated meanings of it, and what each term means. So I think you made it very simple for people to follow the technique and also explain it. Thank you.